marketing agency, and we're specifically geared for the construction industry. So we do a lot of built environment work. My background is that I'm actually an architectural model maker, so I'm the kind of guy that would make models by hand. As we watched this technology develop, we said, boy, that Stratasys equipment is really interesting. Not only does it have the ability to print in bright white, which our architects love, but it also has a multitude of other uses in terms of the durability. We're really pleased with our service with 3D Vision Technologies. Their service is outstanding. The people there are great. They're super fast in their communications, and we really like working with them a lot. We couldn't have made two better purchases through Stratasys. Those have just been workhorses. You can just expect some excellent results out of this machinery that Stratasys has developed.
The ability to go directly from the CAD program or modeling program right to a build method without having to go in the back, use the laser to cut parts and assemble them, hope for accuracy. 3D printing has given us that accuracy and that speed right out of the gate.
Right now we're building large-scale buildings with white ABS from Stratasys, and we find that the larger builds are actually really conducive to the Fortis series of printers. On the detail side, we also use 3D printers to do everything from furniture, little interiors and balconies and things like that.
District Detroit is the name that's currently given to the development downtown Detroit that is going to host the new Red Wings Arena as well as the entertainment center, retail, restaurants. We were given the opportunity to create a model not only of the city to show the location of the arena, but actually a much higher detail version of the arena itself and its surrounding buildings. And that's when we started engineering pieces that started sliding past each other, and this needs to go in first in the order of operation. And in the end, it turned out better than I think any of us could have expected. And now we know we can push the bounds as far as how detailed we can get with 3D printing.
One of the things that's really nice about the Fortis is that you can get down to 7/1000ths of an inch. And one of the things that's nice about having 7/1000ths of an inch to your availability when you're doing architecture is you can get down and you can do the little mullion details or little brick arches and some of the filigree that the architects are asking for on their buildings. Now we can do entire cities and entire complexes in days instead of weeks. I can really see the future of 3D printing heading into larger build platforms, but also in a real true color format. I know there are some outstanding technologies right now that are coming online that have color availabilities, and I think that the opportunity for color in architecture is just explosive. We can't afford to have a 3D printer down, so 3D Vision Technologies is right there when we need parts or if we need service. They're actually a great partner to have when 3D printers have to keep running. They're excellent people and they're great to work with.